Hello and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now at the moment we're going through a heat wave in UK, and when it's as hot as this there is only one thing that I want to cook, and that is gazpacho, and that is what I'm going to do today. And as there is no cooking involved in the making of this soup, all I'm going to use is a knife and this liquidizer or blender or mixer or whatever you want to call the damn thing. And I'm going to start off by chopping up one red pepper into sort of fairly small pieces. The reason why you chop them up is because to get them all these ingredients into the actual liquidizer, they need to be cut up small, otherwise you just won't get them in. So chop them up into little bite-sized pieces, and then get a green pepper, or rather a squashed green pepper in my case, and just do the same. I used to make gazpacho all the time when I lived in southwest France. The summers there can be extremely hot, so gazpacho was quite often the order of the day, as was ice cream. Next, take one clove of garlic. You don't want it to be overpowering in this dish. Chuck that in, and then get a third or a quarter of a cucumber, and again just slice that up, chop it up into little bite-sized pieces and put to one side. I need a bigger plate. That it wouldn't be a red gazpacho if you didn't have tomatoes, so here I have 6 tomatoes, and again I'm just going to quarter them, I think, just to get them in the liquidizer, as I say. And then 1 or 2 slices of stale bread. This, as you can see, is very stale. I'd say 1 or 2, depending how thick you want your soup to be. Again, put them to one side, and then try and fit it all in to the liquidizer, blender, mixer, whatever. Put your bread in, squash it all down so it all goes in. A good pinch of salt and some black pepper, and then fill it with about a glass, about 250 millilitres of water. Doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm using 1 tablespoon of vinegar, in this case apple cider vinegar. And about 150 millilitres of extra virgin olive oil, preferably from Spain. And that, my friends, is our gazpacho finished. Very simple. Now you could pass this through a sieve if you don't like any lumpy bits in it, but I quite like having a bit of texture to my soup. And then finally, once it's in a bowl, we decorate it with small extra pieces of red pepper, green pepper, cucumber, and I fried some small pieces of bread to make croutons as well. It not only looks good, but it does add a crunchy texture to the soup as well. And finally finish off with an ice cube to keep everything cool. And now to give it a taste. Yum yum. There's nothing better on a baking hot day having a bowl full of gazpacho. Thank you for watching, and if you did like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you do, please hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So many thanks, take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all soon.